Mulmol, Percy! Te. Kamusta ang experience?
Ayos na natural na, pre.
Ay, si Mark din.
Isa,
Nagbawa bro.
Brad first, ano, kamusta? Ano, tsansa ta? Ano, tsansa? Matras pa matsyag mo, no?
May pambalaan.
Pati. Okay, man. Bark. Oh, dulom.
Tatagloy.
So, may personal assistant ka gitaw?
Too much tired now.
Too much time. Ano, matsyag mo? How do you feel? Ano, matsyag mo?
I'm very happy because I am one of the contestants of this competition. That's why.
Umigo mo mulmol,
Sana birthday, yan. May lamot.